welcome back. Today I'm just trying out a new lake, and I got one simple goal, which is to catch a really big largemouth. This is my favorite time of the year. Beautiful bluebird sky. It's about 50 degrees right now, and I'm just gonna cover some water. This is a new lake, and see what we can make happen. I got a bunch of beavers around me right now too. All right, let's go catch some. I'm just gonna try to break down this lake. First thing I noticed, I've gone around it once now, and it's really shallow and grassy. It's pretty muddy, and haven't really found much yet that looks like potential for a good pre-spawn spot. So I'm just gonna keep covering water and see what I can find. All right, so for this first lake, there's actually two deep parts over there and over there. And there's two kayakers actually over there. One of them's my buddy, and so I'm sure he'll text me if he gets anything, but for right now there's this channel here, and I'm gonna head back into another lake. So this is what I have to go through now, is that tube right up there. Looks really shallow, so this is gonna be very interesting. I was born by the river in a little tent. Welcome to the new lake. I'm gonna give you a little update. Right now, no fish. Been fishing for about 3 hours now. Haven't found a thing. I don't know what's going on. I've tried a jerkbait, chatterbait, a lipless, Ned rig, nothing yet. So I'm just gonna keep working back in some of these back pockets and channels and stuff. But I just worked a break, and I fortunately got snagged with the jerkbait and broke off a Vision 110, which really hurts. And plus I don't have his fish right now. So let's hope we can turn this thing around. That's all I want right now. There's fish. Oh, got it. Oh my god. Oh my god. This is what we've been waiting for. This is a behemoth. This is a behemoth. I'm telling you, dude. This could be a 5. This could be a 5. Oh, don't open your mouth. Oh, he's got a sideswipe. Okay. Oh, don't jump. He's in. Whew. That's what I've been waiting for. Oh my god, that took so long. This is a giant. Oh, dude. Let me get this hooks out. Oh. Now we're talking. Look at that one. I thought he was much bigger. When I saw its head, he's skinny. Oh my goodness. I'm gonna put it on the scale and see how much she weighs. I knew this spot looked good. I knew it. It looked way too perfect. I stopped recording for a while because I was like, no, this really felt good. Until I got back here, and I said, this is where I'll catch one. All right. 372. Not too bad. For the first one, I'll take it. Never fished this lake, so to have results like that is awesome. And get a release on her. Let's see. Oh, there she goes. Yes, we caught a fish. Thank God. Thought I was doing something wrong. So I kind of want to explain a second what I was doing, why I thought this spot looked better than all the rest. First of all, when I came in, I took a pee right over there. Right over there, okay? And while I was peeing, I saw bluegills, and I was like, that's good. Bait, I haven't seen that all day. Where you been? And then I saw there was kind of like a dip in here. I knew there had to have been one. So, sweet, there's a start. Let's see if we can keep turning this thing around. I felt that. I felt that. Doesn't feel too bad. Oh, it's not too bad at all. Yeah, much smaller than the last one, that's for sure. But that's another fish. That's another fish. Come here, buddy. That was sweet though. I felt him ticket. Just a little boop. And I said, hello. Hello. I shouldn't even netted this one. There we go. Little dude. But yeah, another fish in this back. That was probably within 20 minutes of the last fish. Just warm pockets. That's what you need to look for in the springtime. Let's let buddy go. See ya. Awesome. Another one on the Vision 110 too. I don't think I'll probably switch it up. I'll probably just keep soaking up in this pocket. There's one other one I can go to, and yeah, sweet. Boom, number 2. There's one. Oh no, what is this? Oh. What are you doing? What are you thinking? What are you thinking? That's asking for trouble. Oh God. There he goes. Oh, woo, 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 woo. Well, dude. I actually have not even made it out of this pocket yet. I saw the same thing. I saw those bluegills. So it's like I'll cast around here. Sure enough, fish on. This one feels better. A little better. Definitely not good though. Come here, you. Oh, he ain't bad. He got thick back. Nice keeper. I ain't gonna net him. Woohoo! God, this is a gonk show right now. Jeez, can I land him? Oh. Yeah, I should net him. Oh, yeah, look at that. This little spot's stacked with them. That's a better one. Chunky little fella. Probably only, what's my shrimp are you? Oh! About 15. Good keeper. All right, let's let buddy go. Woo! There she goes. Oh my God, I just saw a behemoth. Like a 4 or 5. Swimming right below me. Oh my God, I just got my crap rocked. There he is. Is this big? Can't see. Sun. Nope, he's not big. Fat though. Wicked fat. Hello, Sparky. There we go. Oh, that hook was almost in my hand. There we go. I just saw that one. Boom, another. Let's go, man. State's turning around. Started off crap. Now we're starting to figure them out. Now we I knew it. Oh my God, it's every cast now. Every cast. They're not big, but there's another. Chill, 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 chill. Get out of here. Oh God, oh God, oh God. That's a big one. I was messing around because I was about to run in the slide. Let that pause for a while, and this is a good fish. This is a good fish. You know, I'm one happy dude right now. Okay, he came out. Good. Get away. Stop it. Dude, stop. Chill out, man. Dude, chill. Oh, now I'm stuck. Are you joking? The bracelet. Finally, jeez. It's stuck on my bracelet. That's a good one. Probably about a 3-pounder. Put it on the scale, why not? I got the scale. Let's use the scale. Let go. Alright, he is 266. That's my second biggest one. Oh, he's got lockjaw right now. Buddy, you gotta open up. 266. There we go. Let's let her go. That was a sweet bite. Majestic. Oh yeah. There's another one. Not big. Whoa, spunky little fella. Got some spunk to ya. I know there was more fish in there. Oh shit, that's not true. I'm not even gonna mess around with this dude. He's got like 14 trebles in him. There he goes. Peaceful, beautiful, easy. I want to take a second and kind of explain of like what I'm doing right now. So basically I'm going and searching for warmer water, and that's really important this time of year. I mean, the ice just came off about two weeks ago and the biggest thing I'm looking for right now is just bluegill. I don't know what it is, but they seem to be around bluegill, so I'm just always keeping an eye out for them. They're on the surface right now. Every time I go next to them, they kind of spook off, and then I'll just take a cast with the jerkbait around them. So that's kind of what I'm doing. Yeah. My GoPro unfortunately just ran out of batteries, so if I get any decent sized fish or big fish like this, I'll keep you updated. This one weighed 2.8 pounds, so I'm just gonna keep going for a little while, and I'm starving, so I'm probably gonna head back soon.